Hey, welcome back to Hidden Classic Deals. I'm John Statham, and today we're checking out classic cars under $8,000. Some may need a little work, but they all have potential. Let's get started.
Number 1. Some classics are restored and parked away, while others are meant to be driven and enjoyed. This 1950 Pontiac Silver Streak is one of those rare survivors that still gets out on the road. Available for just $5,000, this vintage Pontiac business coupe offers something increasingly difficult to find, a running and driving classic from the early 1950s that you can actually take home today. Finished in black and powered by Pontiac's legendary straight-8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, this Silver Streak carries the timeless styling and character that made post-war American automobiles so memorable. Located in Toledo, Ohio, this 1950 Pontiac business coupe shows approximately 50,000 miles and comes with a clean structure throughout the trunk, floors, and frame. The seller recently installed new brakes and brake lines, helping make this classic road-ready. Best of all, it runs and drives, allowing the next owner to enjoy it immediately while making improvements along the way. With the owner moving on to another project, this Pontiac is now ready for a new caretaker. If you've been searching for an affordable and drivable 1950s classic, this Silver Streak deserves a spot at the top of your list. Why dream about owning a piece of automotive history when you can drive one home this weekend? Number 2. Classic muscle-era style doesn't have to cost a fortune, especially when you stumble across a project with this much potential. Priced at just over $5,800, this 1967 Ford Fairlane offers the perfect opportunity for someone looking to own a vintage Ford without breaking the bank. The striking red exterior paired with a white interior gives this Fairlane the classic look enthusiasts love. Add in a fresh fuel tank, new tires, and a clean title, and you've got a solid foundation for a rewarding classic car journey. Located in Pleasant Lake, Indiana, this Fairlane shows approximately 56,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. Recent updates include a new fuel tank, 4 brand new tires, battery, carburetor work, and fresh valve covers. The vehicle does have some rust near the lower quarter panels, but it remains an attractive project for someone wanting a reliable cruiser or restoration candidate. Whether you're looking for your first classic Ford or your next garage project, this Fairlane offers plenty of potential in classic styling. Every great restoration starts with one decision. The question is, will this Fairlane be yours?
Number 3. Imagine opening your barn doors and uncovering a classic Camaro that's been waiting patiently for its second chance. Offered at $5,200, this 1974 Chevrolet Camaro combines V8 power, performance upgrades, and a huge collection of spare parts, making it far more than just another project car. Under the hood sits a rebuilt 350 small-block Chevrolet engine, producing approximately 400 horsepower, backed by a TH350 automatic transmission, 3.73 posi rear end, traction bars, and full dual exhaust. That's a serious performance package hiding beneath a classic body. Located in Eagle, Wisconsin, this Camaro has been stored indoors for the last 15 years. The car previously received repairs, including quarter panels, trunk pan, frame rail reinforcement, and rear valance work. While it still needs interior restoration and additional body repairs, the sale includes numerous spare parts, extra wheels, a 4-speed conversion setup, seats, trim pieces, gauges, spoiler, and much more. This is an excellent opportunity for someone seeking a powerful classic Camaro project. If you're looking for a project with performance already built into the equation, this Camaro deserves a closer look. Some project cars need everything. This one already has the heart of a muscle car waiting to roar again. Number 4. Sometimes the best classics aren't the most expensive ones. They're the rare projects hiding in plain sight, waiting for someone to recognize their potential. Listed at just $4,500, this 1972 Ford Maverick is more than just a project car. It's a genuine V8-era compact Ford with a remarkably clean body and interior, something that's becoming increasingly difficult to find. Originally equipped with a 302 V8, this two-door Maverick stands out thanks to its solid Michigan body, clean title, excellent interior condition, and aftermarket Mustang wheels. Finding one this complete and this clean is becoming a rare event. Located in Circleville, Ohio, this Maverick is currently a roller, although the original engine and transmission are included with the sale. The dashboard remains in excellent condition, the interior is exceptionally clean, and the body presents far better than most project cars of its age. The vehicle does need a driver's side frame rail repair, but a replacement section from another Maverick is already included. For someone willing to finish the project, this classic Ford could become an outstanding weekend cruiser, car show participant, or investment-grade restoration. If you've been hunting for a rare Ford project with strong fundamentals, this Maverick offers a head start that many project cars simply can't match. Projects come and go, but finding a clean-bodied 1972 Maverick like this is an opportunity that doesn't appear every day.
Number 5. What if your next classic car could be driven home today instead of spending months sitting in a garage waiting for repairs? At $5,500, this 1966 Mercury Comet Capri offers the rare combination of vintage style, proven reliability, and years of documented upgrades. Unlike many classics in this price range, this Mercury has already received extensive mechanical attention, including rebuilt transmission components, upgraded drivetrain parts, new brakes, suspension work, exhaust upgrades, and countless maintenance improvements. Located in Yorkville, Illinois, this Comet shows approximately 135,400 miles and comes with a clean Illinois title. The seller has used it as a spring, summer, and fall daily driver since 2022, demonstrating its roadworthiness and reliability. Recent upgrades include rebuilt carburetor and transmission, a shift kit, 2400 stall converter, new tires, leaf springs, shocks, water pump, alternator, battery, timing components, and more. The floors and seats remain solid, while the only significant cosmetic issue mentioned is the headliner. The seller even completed a trouble-free road trip to Kentucky, proving this classic is ready for adventure. If you're searching for an affordable classic that you can actually enjoy immediately, this Comet Capri checks a lot of boxes. Some vintage cars promise potential. This one already delivers miles of smiles and is ready for many more. Number 6. Few names in automotive history spark excitement quite like Mustang, and this 1970 model proves why the legend continues. With an asking price of only $5,200, this Mustang Grande offers a chance to own one of America's most recognizable classics without the six-figure price tag often associated with vintage muscle cars. Finished in white and already running and driving, this Mustang has received numerous recent upgrades, including new tires, battery, brakes, suspension components, and steering-related repairs. Located near Elizabethtown, Kentucky, this 1970 Mustang Grande Coupe shows approximately 99,999 miles and features an automatic transmission. The seller reports that the vehicle runs and drives, but will require some TLC before becoming fully road-ready. Recent maintenance includes all new brakes, lower ball joints, stabilizer bushings, outer tie rods, a new battery, and new tires. Combined with a good title and solid project potential, this Mustang presents an attractive opportunity for enthusiasts looking for a driver-quality classic they can improve over time. Whether you're a longtime Mustang enthusiast or searching for your first vintage muscle-era Ford, this Grande deserves serious consideration. Every Mustang has a story. This one is ready for its next chapter, and you could be the one writing it.
Number 7. Long before SUVs took over the roads, wagons like this ruled family adventures, road trips, and everyday cruising in unmistakable American style. With an asking price of only $2,000, this 1989 Chevrolet Caprice estate wagon offers a surprisingly affordable entry into the world of classic full-size American wagons. Finished in an eye-catching purple exterior with a gray interior, this Caprice stands out from the crowd. Under the hood sits a dependable 307 Oldsmobile V8, paired with a rebuilt 200R 4R transmission featuring a shift kit, giving the wagon a solid mechanical foundation. Located in Nicholasville, Kentucky, this Caprice estate wagon shows approximately 100,000 miles and comes with a clean Kentucky title. The seller states that the vehicle starts and runs, though it is currently not roadworthy and should be transported by trailer. The rebuilt transmission and V8 power plant provide an excellent starting point for someone looking to revive a classic cruiser. Whether you're into vintage wagons, custom builds, or simply want something unique at local car shows, this Chevrolet has plenty of potential. Affordable classic wagons are becoming harder to find every year, making this a great opportunity for enthusiasts looking for a fun and distinctive project. Not every classic turns heads because it's fast. Sometimes it's the rare wagons that attract the biggest crowd. Number 8. If you're a fan of honest survivor cars with decades of history still intact, this Fairlane might be exactly what you've been searching for. Priced at $5,500, this 1964 Ford Fairlane 500 offers original V8 power, vintage charm, and the kind of authentic character that can't be recreated. What makes this Fairlane special is its originality. It still retains its factory 260 cubic inch V8 engine and Ford-O-Matic transmission, along with original paint that has developed a beautiful natural patina over the years. Located in Alexandria, Indiana, this blue-on-blue Fairlane shows approximately 70,000 miles and comes with a clean title. The seller reports that it starts easily, runs smoothly, and shifts properly. Recent improvements include new brakes, rear bushings, and shocks. The car also features modern aftermarket lap and shoulder belts, plus a set of 17-inch American Racing torque thrust wheels that complement its classic appearance. While the front suspension could benefit from rebuilding, and the body has a few minor imperfections, it remains a remarkably solid and affordable survivor. For anyone wanting a vintage V8 cruiser with genuine originality and everyday usability, this Fairlane deserves a serious look. You can't restore a car 100 times, but original survivors like this only exist once.
Number 9. There's something refreshing about a classic car that keeps things simple. Turn the key, hit the road, and enjoy the ride. At just $3,000, this 1966 Chevrolet Bel Air offers one of the most affordable ways to get behind the wheel of a full-size classic Chevrolet. Powered by a dependable 283 V8 backed by a Powerglide automatic transmission, this Bel Air already runs, drives, and stops. That's a huge advantage compared to many classics in this price range. Located in Tiffin, Ohio, this tan-colored Bel Air comes with a clean title and features a newly installed dual exhaust system that enhances both sound and driving enjoyment. The seller notes that the car includes 2 extra fenders and could benefit from some additional attention and cosmetic improvements. However, the fundamentals are already there, making it an ideal candidate for a budget-friendly restoration, weekend cruiser, or classic daily driver. If you've always wanted a vintage Chevrolet but didn't want to spend a fortune, this Bel Air offers an excellent starting point. Sometimes the most enjoyable classics aren't the perfect ones. They're the ones you can drive, improve, and make your own.